Today I'm unboxing a Korbanth SID 2.0 lightsaber hilt with some dark powder coating, so some kind of darker accents added to it. So let's check it out. It's some custom powder coating. Now the kind of Palpatine style lightsabers are really kind of interesting because their design is just so radically different from a lot of other lightsabers out there, just kind of so rounded. It's also interesting among the Sith kind of lightsabers, where you think of them having sort of more of the jagged edges and claws and that type of thing, and instead it's more rounded. All right, so this is the hilt. It's wrapped pretty well. And there's no packing peanuts in the box either, which is kind of nice. Just other packing material. Okay. All right, there we go. So here you can see it's kind of a darker gray, sort of a gunmetal gray, and this does have a green kind of button here and a red one, so this is different. The standard SID 2.0 set has two of the red ones, so that's kind of a variation right here, kind of a custom variation. Very cool to see kind of this different powder coating. And then kind of a almost worn kind of copperish look, sort of some weathering around the top. These are loose pieces, by the way. All right, well, this is the first look, you guys, at this SID 2.0 with some really cool kind of dark gray powder